So, what is trading? How does it work? I hear trading all the time. What's the difference between day trading and swing trading? Are there any differences? Are there different types of trading? Is trading actually for you? Let's discuss. Hey everyone, my name is Zach, and welcome to the world of investing. Let us start first on what is trading. Trading is type of trading where you buy and sell securities, stocks, commodities, currencies, options, or futures. In simpler words, big companies usually go public. They call them new IPOs, okay? They have a certain amount of shares. They actually put it for the public so they can own and invest in it. Some people put it for long-term investment. Some people trade the shares that the company provides. And that's how actually it works. Now, I personally into stocks. Yes, I do crypto. I do commodities, but I buy stocks that mine crypto and buy stocks that actually mine gold and silver, etc. But mainly I'm in the stock market and futures. Day trading is when you buy and sell within the same day, while swing trading is when you buy and hold positions for 1 or 2 or more days. Even some go for months, I go sometimes for weeks, but I would say up to a year. Over a year, that's considered long-term investing. Some don't actually. Some consider long-term investing is more of a 5-year or a decade, a 10-year or 20 years. It is what it is. It doesn't matter what the name is, as long as we can make money out of it. The goal of trading is to make actually profit by taking advantage of the price movement. I personally day trade, and sometimes my day trade positions turns into a swing trade with a small piece after I've taken profits off the table. And sometimes I do swing trades. Later on, you will see some videos on those and some recaps on those. There are 2 types of traders. There are conservative traders and aggressive traders. Aggressive traders, they buy when the price is going up, as we call it a breakout. They actually wait for a breakout of a price level and they just go buy. And conservative traders, they buy when the price goes down, okay? Or as we call it, to a support level. I personally am a conservative trader, as I wait for prices to go down to certain levels that I've actually planned for me to buy right at that price. I found that aggressive trading is a riskier for me, and I found it harder to manage risk. I am not saying it doesn't work. There are successful aggressive traders out there, but not me. Trading involves a set of skills: heavy technical analysis, fundamental analysis, quick decision-making, risk management, and it takes time to develop those skills. Skills that I will be uploading a lot of videos explaining technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and risk management. I strongly recommend to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out those videos as they get uploaded. You would be the first to watch them, and that'll be great. So, here are some steps to be able to trade. Step 1, you gotta choose your security. Before we start, we need to decide what security we want to trade. Some popular choices are stocks, commodities, forex, options, crypto, and futures. I personally trade stocks, as I said earlier, and some futures. So anyhow, after we choose our security, our second step, set up a trading account. To start trading, you need a broker that provides a trading platform so you can execute trades and keep track of your positions. For us Canadians, we are not very lucky when it comes to brokers. We don't have what traders in the US have. They have great platforms with 0 commissions. Even the ones with the commissions, they are great executions. Anyhow, after you decide what broker, the third step comes in. Need to be able to monitor the market. Traders need to stay on top of the market. price actions, news. They need charting platforms that provides real-time data and news to make quick decisions. Please note that most brokers do have all that in one platform, but not all of them as efficient for day trading, especially in Canada. Step number 4, develop a trading strategy. A good trading strategy is essential for success in day trading and swing trading. It involves planning a trade from A to Z, from risk management to analyzing charts, identifying high probability patterns, calculating their risk to reward ratio. There is an important say, plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay, step number 5, place a trade and manage it right. So after you develop a successful trading strategy, you execute your trade according to your plan and monitor it as it goes, as you either stop out with a managed loss. So you either stop out with a managed loss or take profit as opportunity arise according to your plan. I do sometimes exit a trade after planning because I got some weakness signals that tells me the price will not get where I initially planned. So I exit the trade with little profit, break even sometimes, or smaller loss than I initially was willing to risk. Here's the thing, for new traders, you can just stick to your plan that you've learned. But it takes some experience because new traders sometimes they can prematurely jump out of a trade or take profits. So just stick to a plan. Things you need to know about trading. Trading is about identifying high probability setups. A lot of traders make money in a trade, but sometimes they lose. And it is calculated loss. They know it is part of the trading game. There are no traders win 100%. That's not even Wall Street or hedge funds or any professional trader. They always have losses, but it's managed losses. Another thing, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. If anyone thinks that trading is getting rich quick scheme, absolutely not. Absolutely not. These two things you have to keep in mind before you even start. It's a journey. It's a long journey to learn technical analysis, fundamental analysis, as well as psychology. The psychological aspect of trading, understanding the psychology of the market, and understanding yourself and self-awareness. If you find value in this video so far, please smash that like button so more people can see this video. Back to the question, is trading for you? Let me tell you, trading helped me get to know my personality way more than I thought. I thought I knew myself. Before I even started, I was all into the self-development and leadership and business and this and that, and I thought I knew myself exactly before I traded. And you know what? When I traded, that's how I felt. I know nothing about myself. It was a roller coaster. I thought I'm in control of my emotions. I was not. I really did not discover myself, not until I started trading. It did help me develop myself. It also helped me keep my emotions in check. The hardest part is not the technical analysis or fundamental analysis. That comes with repetition. It is overwhelming at first, but remember, repetition makes things easier. The hard part is the emotional aspect of it. Back to answer the question, whether it's for you or not. And I would say straight like this. If I can do it, you can do it. Only if you are willing to be patient, learn, get the proper education. Now, you might say, I work during the market hours or can't be sitting on my computer during market hours. Then instead of doing day trading, you can be swing trading. My conclusion is that most of you can, and if you can't, please leave me a comment down below and tell me why you think you can't become a successful, profitable trader. Okay? Let's discuss. Let's build that community. Let's talk. I will give my 100% to answer all the comments in the down in the section below. Also, anyone watching this video, ask me any question you want. Okay? I really encourage you. There's nothing called stupid questions. And I will give my 100% effort to reply. If you want to know about long-term investing, click on the video box, and I'll see you next time.